Absolute value. So when we speak of absolute value or values, the result is always positive. So how do we solve for absolute values? Let us take some example. If we have the absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 7, so let us take first x minus 3, and that is equal to 7. So by additive inverse, we have to add both sides by positive 3. So negative 3 plus 3, that's negative 3, the additive inverse is 3. So we have to add both sides by 3. So by additive inverse, x is equal to 10. What about the other values of the other value of x? So we multiply the absolute value, this one here, with negative. So the result is negative x, or negative times x is negative x, negative times negative 3 is positive 3, still equal to 7. Then by additive inverse, the additive inverse of 3 is negative 3. So we have to add both sides, the left side and the right side, with negative 3. So the result is negative x is equal to 4 by combining like terms. So by multiplicative inverse, we multiply this by negative. The result is x is equal to negative 4. So the possible values of x are 10 and negative 4. Let us check. So if we are to substitute x with 10, the result is 7 is equal to 7. So we are correct. What if we are to substitute x with negative 4? So negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is positive 7, which is equal to 7. So the result is correct. So negative x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to 10 are the possible values of x. Let us take another example. What if we have the absolute value of 2x minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have to write first into this form. We get 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. By additive inverse, we get 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. By combining like terms, we get 2x is equal to 10. Then by multiplicative inverse, we have to multiply this by 1/2. Or by division property, we divide both sides by 2. So the result is x is equal to 5. Let's take the other value of x. So again, we have to multiply this one by negative. So negative times 2x, negative 2x, negative times negative 3 is positive 3 is equal to 7. By additive inverse, we get negative 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. So the result is negative 2x plus 4. Then by multiplicative inverse or division property. So by multiplicative inverse, we have to multiply this by negative 1/2. The result is x is equal to negative 2. So the possible values of x are 5 and negative 2. Okay, let us check. If x is 5, the result is, so we have 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So this is correct. About the other value, so if we have this one, if we have, or the value of x is negative 2, so 2 times negative 2 is, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Then negative 4 minus 3 is 7. Rather, negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So we are correct again.